Aprilia RSV4 Best Motorcycles. In the elite world of superbikes, the Aprilia RSV4 continues to set the benchmark for performance, innovation, and rider engagement. The 2024 iteration of the RSV4 solidifies its status as one of the best motorcycles available today, offering an unrivaled blend of MotoGP-derived technology, Italian design, and road-ready functionality. The heart of the Aprilia RSV4 is its ferocious 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing a staggering 217 horsepower. This power plant is a direct descendant of Aprilia's racing success, refined over years of competition at the highest levels. It delivers spine-tingling acceleration and a distinctive exhaust note that only a V4 can produce. Whether you're pushing it to the limit on a racetrack or enjoying an adrenaline-charged ride on a winding road, the RSV4 delivers an experience that few motorcycles can match. A major factor in the RSV4's supremacy is its aerodynamics and chassis design. Aprilia's use of integrated winglets, sleek bodywork, and a race-bred aluminum frame ensures maximum downforce, agility, and high-speed stability. The result is razor-sharp handling, allowing riders to dive into corners with unmatched confidence and control. The RSV4's Olean Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system further refines the ride, automatically adjusting to conditions for optimal performance and comfort. When it comes to electronics, the RSV4 stands at the cutting edge. It features a 6-axis IMU to manage its suite of rider aids, including cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking, and cruise control. All these can be adjusted on the fly via the crisp 5-inch TFT display and intuitive switchgear. Aprilia's 3 preset riding modes, track, sport, and street, plus 3 customizable ones, allow riders to fine-tune the RSV4 to their personal preferences and environment. Visually, the RSV4 is pure Italian artistry. From its sculpted fairings to the aggressive LED headlight design and aerodynamic winglets, every detail serves both form and function. The RSV4 exudes sophistication and performance, making it a visual standout whether at a track day or parked in the city. Despite its elite performance credentials, the RSV4 doesn't sacrifice comfort. A redesigned saddle, revised ergonomics, and improved heat management make it more accommodating for longer rides. Aprilia's attention to rider experience is evident in the way the RSV4 balances speed with usability. In 2024, Aprilia also offers the RSV4 factory variant, which adds carbon fiber components, lighter forged wheels, and even more advanced electronic features. This version is aimed at serious enthusiasts looking to extract every ounce of performance from their machine. In conclusion, the Aprilia RSV4 is a true masterpiece of modern motorcycling. It's a machine that doesn't compromise, delivering blistering speed, advanced electronics, and race-proven engineering in a stunning package. For riders seeking the pinnacle of sport bike performance, the RSV4 is undoubtedly one of the best motorcycles of 2024.